course, it is the biggest retail season of the year, but inflation is squeezing everyone's pocketbooks. Guess what? Andy Puzder is here. Andy, great to see you. My question first would be, do you think we're going to see a weaker holiday season this year? It seems like people are still spending.
Yeah, people are spending. People are going deeper into debt. Consumer debt is, I think, the highest it's been in decades. So people are still seem to be spending. I think this rail strike, increasing energy costs, transportation costs always increase the cost of every product. Could well cut into those budgets, but so far it looks like consumers are still spending.
And from a retailer's point of view, of course, to attract, everyone wants a deal these days. That's just the way it works. How much is that hurting the bottom line for so many of these, businesses?
Well, it's hurting a lot. I mean, the restaurant industry, you can drive down the street, any street with a bunch of fast food restaurants, and you'll see that everybody's competing based on cost, based on absolute value. They all want to get the price of everything down. You don't really see any competition for quality for what you buy. In other words, you're offering a premium product, but at a discounted price. So it has it's having a major impact on how businesses are operating across the country.
All right, Andy, we're going to have to leave it there. We have some issues with your audio. And, of course, we want to hear you loud and clear, and we're just not doing that right now. So
Sorry about that.
Thank you very much for joining us. Yes, hey, technology, right? Andy, thank you very much.